I forgot to film, but we've already got started. As you can see, got some brake parts for the old Pontiac here. Kind of got started on it. Changed the upper ball joint and got the hub bolted on. What's wrong, Jimmy? Did you trip over that Harley?
Yeah.
Damn Harley Davidson, boys. Charlie Davidson.
Yeah, Chinese Harley.
I think they sent me one of the wrong rotors. They're facing ass backwards. Well, she's back on all fours, guys. You like the wheels, Mickey?
I love the wheels.
I'm sure some people are gonna hate the purple, but it's mine.
It's yours.
Yeah, we might end up raising the nose up. I'm not sure. We'll have to get the motor sitting here and see how everything goes. For the most part, the brakes are on. Damn, that looks gangster. You like it? You like it, Hip?
Yes, it's gonna look beautiful when it's done.
I'm more beautiful.
Minus the one wrong rotor.
Yeah, we only got rotor on one side. I'm pretty sure they sent me
It's gonna do the same side.
2 of the same side rotors for sure. Yep.
I'll call Strange Monday and get that handled.
Because we're going to mark.
About to do some pie cuts, huh, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Getting her dialed in.
Yeah.
First things first, it's been so hot, we had to go buy us a new AC or order an AC for the shop. That's a life game changer there, huh, Jamie?
Yeah.
So that's where we're at on it. We got the front end mostly put together, wheels, tires on it, mostly brakes on it. I think tonight we're going to try to get us a hot side built. I would really like to try to put the turbos like right here. I don't know if that's going to work or not. That's what I would like to do. We're about to find out. Jimmy's been cutting some pie cuts today. Show you guys. So, yeah, this is what he's got done. A bunch of this. Bought these off eBay for like 50 bucks. But yeah, so the plan is to put this little guy like right in here. That would be ideal if I could do that, but I don't know if we're gonna have enough room because this thing's all the way turned over. It'll be tight fitting for sure. But that's what we got to work with. About ready to tack some pie cuts in there, Jimmy.
No.
See if we can make it work.
Like your down pop on the truck all over again.
Yeah. Hey, that thing don't leak.
It works.
It's still working. It's ugly, but it does work.
As long as it's functional.
Yeah, it's still kind of warm in here, but the AC is definitely way better than outside. So I bought this cheap kit off Amazon. I think it was like 60 bucks. Bunch of 2 1/4 inch pipe. That's what our hot side's gonna be made out of. All right, so change of plans. We might be able to fit these things right where he's holding it. It'd be like behind the fender right here, but man, if we could do that, that would look awesome. And it puts the weight high up and farther back than what we initially planned on trying to do. So man, if we could do that, that'd be cool. So this is where we're at. We're probably about to start stacking some pie cuts on this thing. Seeing if we can get it to fit. Hopefully it's not just a big waste of time. Oh boy, Jimmy's got the fun stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do this in there first.
You guys, look at this masterpiece right here. Damn. Look at that. About to have to make a trip and get some more gas because we're getting pretty low on the welder. Little bottles don't last very long, do they, Jimmy?
No, especially when you got big jobs.
Yeah.
Running pretty hard.
All right, as you guys can see, it ain't pretty, but she's gonna work. We got about 1/4 of the hot side done on one side. The gas is She's low. There's still some in there, but it's low. Ready to go get some gas?
Sure.
Maybe one day this will be done. All right, guys. Me and Jimmy, we've been messing with this thing, and I'll just show you what we came up with. It might be kind of hard to see in here, but it's a little close to the fender. Hopefully it'll be all right. Jimmy?
What?
That's beautiful, bud.
It'll work. It don't gotta be pretty to work.
Yeah, as long as it don't burn this outside, it'll be all right. Turbo blanket should help it a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got a gap there.
I love that turbo blanket.
Yeah, well, she ain't pretty, but I think she's gonna work, boys. Look at that damn Mad Max stuff there. All right, so here's a quick update, what we got done. Strange finally sent us the right rotor for this side. And Jimmy's got this beautiful hot side put together. You proud of that thing, Jimmy?
No, but it's gonna work.
It ain't pretty, but
It'll work.
she definitely gonna work. Show you guys kind of what we came up with. We've been fighting the front clip, trying to get it to fit right. Cut all these off, redone them. Work in progress, huh, Jimmy?
Yeah.
It's been a minute since we've seen it on the ground, huh?
Yeah.
Front might be a little bit low.
A little bit.
Not sure how close everything is down here. It's not terrible. George, you think this thing will ever run?
It'll probably run, but it probably won't look too good. It probably won't look that good, but it'll look kind of good.
You like it?
Maybe when it gets fixed.
Think it will ever get fixed?
I'm being honest now.
You don't think it will?
You can probably get a little bit fixed, but there's probably gonna be at least one thing that's probably gonna be wrong.
Yeah, just one thing wrong.
Maybe
But-
one.
We can live with one thing, can't we, Jimmy?
One thing at a time.
Whoa, you're getting after it, bud.
What?
Is he good? Alright guys, I know this video kind of sucked, but I think that's going to do it. Thanks for watching.